What are you doing? Where are you going? You gonna go close the door? Go close the door. You want mommy's shoes, don't you? It's too bad. Are you barking? Dylan. Hi, baby. Yeah. Are you barking? Come here. Come here. There you go. Come on. Come on. Come on. You're so cute. I think he's using the bear as a microphone. He's like, is this thing on? What's that all about? Huh? You're so silly. Ooh, there's a yawn. Somebody's ready for a nap. Yeah, I know, you don't like that name, that word. Oh, he's gonna cry. Ooh, yummy bear. You're so funny. Look at that crinkled nose and stuff he does now. That's a face only a mama can love. What, baby? Alright, it's nap time for somebody. Somebody's cranky. Okay. Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Or not.